quick question by Ruqayya Ahmed. Choose according to your preferences, rasgulla or rasmalai. I love rasgulla, but I have given up on sugar, sweet, bread, pav. I don't eat any of this. So I love sweets though, but I don't eat now. Next, book or movie, movie, tea or coffee, tea. Then chocolate or vanilla, vanilla. I do not like everything to be chocolate except for just chocolates. I do not like everything else to be added with the flavor chocolate. I do not like it. Then comedy or horror, comedy, straight or curly hair. Actually wavy hair, dude. Then mountains or beach, beach or even maybe forest. I like being there. Pasta or pizza, pasta. Online shopping or in-person shopping, both. Shopping matters. Saujanya, she is asking how to build self-confidence as we are not considered as beautiful cause we are not fair. Hashtag dusky beauties. I would just say one thing, go and stand in front of a mirror. What you're seeing in front of you is what is known as beauty. Beauty is what is in here, and it is not what is on the exterior or on the outside. It is here deep inside. Your soul has to be beautiful. Even if you have a beautiful face and a dark soul, not worth it. The heart, your soul should be pure, should be beautiful, and that is what beauty is. Skin color is just a pigment. How should it affect your self-confidence? No. The aim of my channel is to help everyone embrace their flaws, the color that they are born in, and to embrace themselves and love themselves because we are beautiful and perfect just the way we are. And do not feel less about yourself, dude. Never. You are the best version of yourself and perfect. Beauty of your soul and your heart matters. So if this is beautiful, this is automatically gonna be beautiful. Like, it's gonna reflect in your eyes. So I think self-confidence should come right from now itself, because we are blessed with this skin, man. Just embrace it and look at yourself, how beautiful you look. Even with the flaws, even if I come online, I'm fine with it because they're gonna come and go. They're not gonna stay forever. Flaws and marks on my skin are actually the scars to my success. They are marking my success, and only warriors got scars. Remember this. Nobody else has scars, dude. You are a fighter. Just bring out that confidence. It is there in you. It is not that you don't have it. It is there in you, but just don't succumb to this fair and lovely faltu ads. Just, it's not needed. This is beauty, okay? Remember that. Next. This question is by Priyanka Ghosh. She is asking me, do you love me? No. I love you. Itna sara stupid or kya? What are you asking, dude? कितना सारा प्यार करती हूँ यार? ऐसे थोड़ी पूछते कोई. What sorts of fragrances do you prefer? Like fruity, musky, fresh, aqua, etc. I personally do not like ladies' perfumes. I have all men's collection. I do not like fruity, floral fragrances at all. The ones which I have notes of vanilla, cedar wood, musk, and dark fragrances. I do not like fruity, floral fragrances at all. I know you're not into much fragrances. This is Amukta, one of my oldest subscribers. She's asking, then which flowers do you like? I like all flowers. It's just that I'm allergic to roses. Except for that, I like all flowers. They all are beautiful. Like cactus has such beautiful flowers. What were your family's reaction when you decided to dedicate your hard works towards YouTube? I was lucky enough that my grandpa and my mom supported me. Like I just had to explain them how it works and stuff. I showed them Shreya's and Stacy's video at that time. I still remember, like, see, it's this way that it works, and they were quite supportive. Where do you live in Pune? I live in Pune too and hope to see you someday. I really love your work. Thank you so much. So I live in Pune nearby Aund Baner somewhere. I won't say the exact location, but yeah. It's from Sangeeta. She's asking your greatest fear and your happiest moment in your life. The greatest fear will be losing someone I love, because I fear losing my loved ones a lot. And happiest moment in life, I don't know yet. I'm not able to recall anything. अभी तक इतना कुछ खास हुआ नहीं है. You live in Pune. Can you speak in Marathi? मराठीत बोलता येते मला. एवढी चांगली मराठी नाहीये पण बोलता येते. Hey, I just wanted to know your eyebrow secret because I lost my brows when I was under medication for PCOS. The secret for my brows is basically just genetics. What I would say, it's my mom from whom I've got these brows. But still, you can try using castor oil just on your brow, but in opposite direction like this overnight, and next morning just rinse off with warm, like lukewarm water. Just don't go anywhere else, because you know castor oil also starts hair growth if used on skin, so do not apply it anywhere else other than your brow. Keep that in mind when you're applying it. Just slightly dilute castor oil with coconut oil a bit and then apply it on your brows. Then, did you ever face criticism for your complexion? Because I did. Obviously, brown skin girl problems, we are sisters. Right from my childhood, I was made feel less than others, even till date. Like people call Kali, Savli, Gehua, Fir, she's dark, and this and that. I faced a lot of it, and that's the reason why I came here on YouTube, because I wanted to take stand for all my dusky, deep skin beauties and make you guys realize that you are blessed with this skin color. Not everyone is blessed enough to have melanin pigment in them, and we do have, so we are rich than others, so we should be happy about it. Then, does it cost an arm and leg to get started on YouTube by Priyanka? Actually, I feel it cost passion and hard work and patience to start on YouTube, and not just money, because these are the things which are your driving force. And if you don't have these equipments with you, if you don't have passion, hard work and patience, this field is not for you. How did your skin tone get 2 to 3 shades lighter as compared to your older videos? Skincare, this is asked by Hina. Yes, if you can go and see some of my older videos, you would see I was around NC 44 at that moment, and now I am NC 41. So it is lockdown. It is lockdown that we are not getting that much of sun exposure. And secondly, yes, it is also skincare, because I did have a lot of pigmentation and uneven skin tone, but thanks to some good skincare that I've been using over 1.5 months now, like the Sugandha one, the Eclat ones. The Eclat one is like literally helping me fade my acne scars and stuff. So, and the Sugandha one is bomb. It's bomb. I've like finished it. I don't even have to show it to you guys. It's hardly there. So I really like those skincare. It's actually the kind of skincare which works. Are you a Christian? No, I'm not a Christian, but Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, they are all the same. I believe that there is no difference in any religion. They are all the same. We just see the same Lord, the same Bhagwan, same Allah in different costumes and different makeup. That's the basic difference. Rest, all religions are one, is what I believe in. God is in every single bit on this earth. It's not just that temples are his home. He is everywhere, is what I believe. Shwari, hi Nidhi, why are you not responding to my DMs now? Why you got so busy anyways watching your videos? I'm really sorry you guys. It's very hard to get back to each and every DM. Still, I try my best to reply to DMs that I get on my Instagram as much as I can. I'm very sorry if I am not able to get back as quicker as I used to back then, because now I'm also doing thoda ghar ka kaam. So, thing by Krupa Bhavsar, how do you feel after getting PRs and these many subscribers? Mehnat fail nahi jati, right? Yeah, the thing is, PR feels good. Definitely, it feels good. It's like someone is gifting you something. But I think that was not my main thing for which I came here on YouTube. My happiness truly is when I get comments from my subscribers saying that my reviews or my recommendations help them in some way, or they are happy with my content, or they're finding it helpful and they're learning something from it and it's bringing smile on their faces. Especially comments like they are now feeling confident in their own skin and how they look and being flawless, they're loving it. That's true happiness for me, and not PRs, because let's be real, I'm not that materialistic kind of person. Like, I still remember someone had said me like, oh, when you get your future husband, tell him to give you a diamond necklace, like that diamond Mangal Sutra and diamond ring. I was like, dude, even if he gives me a stone from the street, I would wear it in my neck and flaunt it 100%. because he has given it to me. I am not materialistic kind of person like, oh, if you're giving me diamonds then you're a good partner. Oh, such a crappy stone. Like, I don't understand why, but I personally am that kind of person who would like someone to give me that time more than giving me gifts. That's basically how I am. So I'm not very materialistic, but definitely it feels good when you get new makeup, definitely. But yeah, will you remember every one of your subscriber by Shweta? See, I'll tell you one thing. I have 8 uncles. Like, my father was the youngest, and so I have 7 birthday papa, and I still don't know their names. I'm so bad at remembering names, but now I remember many names, you guys. I try and learn at least 3 names daily, because it's like the more you comment and the more you interact, and the more I interact with you on DMs on Instagram, your name gets drilled over here. So I do remember names, but not all, because 63,000 names it's hard. Jill is asking, when did you realize that YouTube is your calling, love your content and humbleness? So as I said, I didn't see a lot of dusky tan skin creators, like this kind of medium tan skin creators on YouTube, and so I thought like this is what my field is. So I just jumped over here, and that's how I'm doing in 4 years. What do you do with extra makeup? So if you're not following me on my Instagram, you should definitely give me a follow over there, because the thing is, see, many a times I have so much makeup which I just swatch for that one video, but I cannot use all of that. I have like one lip and this much small surface area on my face. I cannot use so many products, and at times I also have multiples of the same product, so they are like brand new. So what I do is just do a block sale. I've done it once, so I'm planning to do one more in October. I'm just trying to manage time. So if you do not mind lightly swatched or lightly used makeup, I give it off over there in the block sale at like slashed prices, and all of the money that comes from these block sales are put into my YouTube setup, like for buying either of the equipments or something that I need for my work, and a part of it goes for my dogs, for feeding them their medicines, their vaccinations. So it goes in this way, in these 2 fields. That's it. The next question is by Sanya Chauhan. When did Nidhi discover about her love for dogs and gathered for toddlers? So my Instagram people know it. I do not like toddlers. They are very musty khore. They pull my hair. I like babies. Then I can go with teenagers. When did you discover love, and why do you love dogs? Have you ever seen in the eyes of these animals? You would yourself get your answers why you should love them. Their eyes pour out love and affection in such a vibe that you just cannot go off them ever again. So I love them. Like, I love animals. Do you have a boyfriend? Relationship status and his name. Tell us about your boyfriend, your lover, relationship. This is get to know me tag, guys. Get to know me. Why you wanna get to know him? Something about your papa. I miss him. What was your subject combination in BSc, and how much did you score in TY? I am a botanist. I have done my bachelorate in botany, and I did score 94% in TY. Next, your childhood, your love story, your passion. My childhood was very dark, is what I would say in a nutshell. My passion is definitely what I'm doing right now, and I also love to take care of plants and animals. That is another passion I have. With me is that I do not like to show the dark side of my life here on YouTube, because I feel like everyone has a dark side to their life. I personally do not like to portray the dark side of my life here, because I do not want sympathy and anyone to feel pity for me and then hit that red subscribe button. No, I want myself to build my empire based on my hard work and my passion and my willpower, and not on someone feeling pity on me or someone feeling sympathetic towards me. No, I do not want to manipulate people emotionally to get views and subscriptions. I would never do that. I would never sit here and cry in front of you and say, oh, I want subscribers, like, oh, this is what is happening in my life. If you guys ever get to know what my real life is, you would cry. I can bet you on that. But I feel everyone does have a dark side to life. But I am not from the people who like to gain sympathy over these topics, because I'm very sensitive towards this side of my life, and I would never use them just to advertise myself or to gain subscribers, because that is not how it works for me. I'm fine with less number of subscribers. I would go through the slow and steady race instead of, you know, just sitting here and crying in front of you and gaining subscribers. No, because Nidhi is a fighter. I'm not a coward. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna sit here and cry like my numbers are so low. Never. I'm gonna fight for it, and I know I will achieve it. I know I'm gonna achieve my goals, and I will achieve my dreams one day, and I'm gonna live my dreams one day. So sitting and crying is not a way out. You should stand up strong with all that confidence, willpower, and work hard to achieve it. Just not sit and cry, because it's not how it works for me. Mary is asking me, do you remember me now? Like, come on, dude. Come on. How can I forget you guys? What is the craziest thing a Trend Fam member ever did to you? I wouldn't say it was the craziest thing, but it was the thing. If they wouldn't have done it, I wouldn't have existed here. Like, I had gone into so much of depression, I cannot tell you guys. So it was the moment wherein my subscribers went up to Shweta and escalated my issue to her. It was that kind of situation which I had never imagined that my subscribers would do for me, and the love I felt that day, which I just can't describe in words. It's all here, you know. I'm very bad at letting out my emotions and framing them into sentences. My vocabulary is very weak. I don't even know to pronounce words correctly at times. I'm very bad. I think I shouldn't have missed English classes in the school. I don't know what I was speaking. The video got cut because of call. The next question: having only less followers ever demoted you? By Shreya. No, man. Like, I remember I hit 10,000 subscribers on my last birthday, exactly when 1 minute was left for my birthday to get over. Last birthday I hit 10,000 subscribers, and I'm doing YouTube since 4 years now. I don't think numbers define you. It is your hard work, your passion, and your creativity what's gonna define you, and not just your numbers. Because I do see a lot of creators in millions, but then they're promoting glutathione and skin whitening and lightening, which just makes me feel like, why are even people watching such kind of videos? Because when you guys watch these kind of videos, these people trend. Like, I don't see anything right in those topics, because skin lightening, whitening, why? It's not needed, and they're promoting all of these things. You know, they are just making money out of people's insecurities. That's it. That's it. Are you a strict Jen? No, actually I love eating onion. But I do Palofai, Atam Chaudas and Pajushan. Definitely from next year I think I will even do Chomasa. I would not eat Lilo 3 or Kanda Batata during that time. Yeah. Next by Sona Tommy. You're always positive. What is the secret? No one is always positive, you guys. Everyone has that time wherein, you know, all your positivity and confidence just drops, and when it drops faster than the GDP. I've not been always positive. I too have that nights wherein I sit and cry for me having scars, for these scars sticking to me since years and not going away. I do feel bad about these things, but if you have that kind of person around you who just lifts up your moods and shows you the right way towards life and tells you that you are beautiful and not let your confidence fall down, that is what you need. You can find this kind of person in anyone, your friends, your best friends, your mother, father, sibling. You just need that source. It can be even a YouTuber online, like seeing some videos, you might feel confident about yourself, like, hey, I'm not less than anyone. So it's just like you need to find that source for yourself to recharge on your confidence, because confidence is always there. It's just that at times it drops low. All we have to do is just gather it all up and stand up tall and stronger than before. That's it. How do you manage your finances with so much expenditure and not much views on YouTube? So the thing is, basically, whatever I get from YouTube is what I invest. back in my work. So that's how it works. For so many years on YouTube I've been there. I didn't get a single penny in the start. First time the first $100 payment came, and that too at that time it used to come after two months, because it took me 2 months to gather $100. That's the lowest that you can get from YouTube. Okay, that's the threshold basically. So it took a lot of time, and if you just translate it over here in India, $100 is like 6,500 at that time, and it wasn't that much. But right now I'm doing better is what I feel. The more and more videos I'm posting and the more views I'm getting per videos, it is helping me grow, because in lockdown the situation had gone to worse. You guys, like, I had not even $50 and I didn't get payment for I think 3 months or 4 months. So that was a tough time. Yeah, someone also had asked me here, did Mamaearth controversy help you to gain subscribers? Now let me tell you, when all of this happened, I was already on 35-40k subscribers. I don't think this one viral video is the reason behind the growth of my channel, because if you go to my channel and see popular uploads, you will see many videos which have gone to lakhs of views, and this is not just the only one video which is viral, and that is what is important, I feel. If for example you make a sketch video and that goes viral, but you're not into sketches, and so that kind of subscribers which are going to get attracted to your channel won't be any helpful, because they would not engage in your content basically. So the thing is, if you see my channel, after that one video of Mamaearth, even on my other videos, views are still up. It is not that that one video went up to 60,000 views and other videos I'm getting like 2,000 and 3,000 views. It's not that. And if that happens, it's a clear scene that people are not engaging in your content, and that is not how it is on my channel. You can see there are many uploads like my brown lipstick videos, my nude lipstick diaries, my lipstick swatches, my foundation swatches, my Maybelline foundation reviews. All of them have went viral, and that is the reason why the kind of subscribers I have are engaging in my content, and so the views are consistently up. So that's the thing I want to achieve basically. I do not want subscribers who are just coming out of sympathy to my channel. I don't want that to happen. I want to earn it and not being thrown at my face for it, because I know I can do it and I will do it. SRI blogger, again one of my old subscribers. Your date of birth 25th of October. So Preeti is asking me, where is your father? So I lost my father when I was 13. So yeah, he's there above, he's seeing me from there, and his blessings are there on me. That's it. Swati is asking, Didi, did your makeup journey boost up your confidence? So the thing is, I would like to say that makeup is not something which is gonna make you look beautiful. Makeup is just a way to amplify what is already beautiful. So makeup is not going to bring confidence. The confidence is already there. It just enhances that and brings it out, and you get to feel that, oh, now I feel nice and beautiful. But it is already there. You just need to realize how confident and beautiful you are. You don't need makeup for that. Do you think the face value of a person is important for starting a YouTube channel? I don't think so. It is not face value which matters. It is the passion, it is the creativity and the willpower to work hard is what matters truly, and you need a hell lot of patience on this platform. That's it. It is not this face. If it would be face, I am not that perfect in people's terms to be here in this beauty community with this kind of scarred face, but still I'm here because I am beautiful. I don't care what others think about me, right? So face value does not matter at all, anywhere, like in any field. It is not this. The exterior doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you're tall, you're slim, you're fat, you are dark, you're fair, you're pale. It does not matter whether you're having clear skin, you've got pimples, you've got acne, you've got stretch marks, you've got pigmentation, you've got dark knees, dark elbows. It does not matter. It is very normal. I have stretch marks, I have nice petu, I have double chin, I have scars, I have dark skin, I have dark knees. Does not matter. Does not matter. We are beautiful just the way we are in our own skin. The one goal for my channel is that all of my subscribers should feel beautiful just the way they are, and let nobody decide your worth. That's it. From Diksha, it is your nickname. You're gonna laugh at it. So it's Nidhi se Nidhu and Nidhu se Diku. So they call me Diku, Nidhu, anything. That's funny, I know. But yeah. Have you done any professional course related to beauty? Yes, I have done my degree in makeup artistry from Lakme, and I am also a professional airbrush makeup artist. I feel I learned from YouTube more than these classes, but yes, I am a professional artist any which ways. But I don't think going to such bougie classes is important if you want to learn. अगर वो चाह होती है ना तो कहीं से भी आप learn कर सकते हो. There's no need for such degree courses or investment. I feel that was a dead investment that I ever made, and that was a huge sum for me which I wasted. Lastly, who all are there in your family? I've got a lot of these kind of questions. And do I have siblings? I don't have siblings, and it's just me, my mom, and my step family. And then on my Nana ji side, it's Nana ji and Nani. So yeah, that's my Chotu si family. She's asking me your closest person. It has to be my mom. She's my best friend. I'm a Scorpio. I don't really have a lot of friends, like true friends. Not many. I can literally count like 3 people. Like Priyanka is one of them, my mom, and I just have 2 more. Like these are all the special people in my life. That's it. So yes guys, that's it. That's a wrap. I think that's a long ass video, and I don't know how I'm gonna get it edited, but yeah, I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.